Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. It provides dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, and its antioxidants help support eye health and reduce inflammation. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as corn. Corn. Here we go again. Corn. While, in American accent, we may pronounce it as corn. Corn. Here we go again. Corn. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about corn, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.